I am Rio R. Torres Jr. The place could be quite familiar to many as it was used as Eddie Garcia's home in Ganito Kami Noon, Paano Kayo Ngayon in 1976. But the place could also familiar as it is one of the most preserved bahay na bato in Biñan, which is now utilized for the Jacobo Gonzalez Museum, the Biñan Congressional District Office, and Tourism Information and Assistance Center. The old Casa Biñanense in Biñan, Jacobo Gonzalez District is a significant 19th century bahay na bato that served various roles from Don Eulalio Ganas' home to a municipal hall, a hospital during World War II, and new the Jacobo Gonzalez Museum and Congressional District Office, symbolizing Biñan rich history, particularly for figures like Rizal and Gonzalez himself, and standing as a preserved heritage landmark. And now, the new Casa Biñanense, located in Biñan Heritage District, is a restored ancestral house, now serving as the Jacobo Gonzalez Museum, Biñan Congressional District Office, and Tourism Center, showcasing Biñan rich history, especially Rizal connection through its architecture, a mix of old and new artifacts and historical narratives, highlighting figures like Jacobo Gonzalez, Rizal teacher relatives, and its past municipal hall and hospital.